Hey guys, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So, some of the students are still confused that, sir, the CA intermediate batches, the regular batches which are ongoing for May 24 attempt and November 24, 2024 attempt under the CA new course. That, sir, whether you are providing the classes in just one language or you are providing in only Hindi, you are providing in only English. So this is for the information of all my dear students that the classes are being provided in both the languages. The papers which I am providing is cost accounting paper number 4 and fmsm paper number 6 in both the languages, in Hindi English mix and in complete English language for my South Indian community, specifically those who are not able to understand Hindi. So I am there for you guys, don't worry about it. I am with you, right? If nobody else is there, I am with you, nothing to worry about. And the batches are ongoing and they are expected to be completed by January end or mid of February. We are expecting to complete the batches. Ongoing batches are there already. Lots and lots of students have enrolled. How to enroll, sir? How to select the language, that is at the time of placing the order from our website, that is www.kscteaching.org. You will get it on your screens. You have to choose the language. There we have put in the option of choosing the language, whether you want to go for English, that is Hindi English mix, or you want to go for complete English. Just select your language and enjoy the lectures. And we have made the process very easy to watch the lectures. No serial key, nothing required, sir. Not to install any external software. You can play it on laptop, you can play it on your mobile devices. Very easy to play lectures. So right, join it now and enjoy the lectures for May 24, November 24. All the best, guys.